Hey guys, this is my Filipino butterfly knife. I got it at a gun show. Main reason I picked it up is because, it had that older look to it, and, the brass construction. It looks like a lot of time went into this. So, I got it, and after I got it home, opened up and really inspected it more, I noticed, it looks more hand constructed. So as you can see, there's, like, the blade is unevenly filed. And you can notice the different. Try and get it in there. The metal is rough down here where the pins are at. Brass pins throughout the entire tangs of the knife, keeping it together. Handles, brass lining, and this appears to be plastic, I guess. I don't know. So, and then on the T-latch, there's 2 red dots and 3 horizontal lines. So, I just noticed that there's nothing on Google about these. I haven't seen any other ones around. So I was mainly wondering if anybody knew anything else on them. Maybe what the red dots mean. If they're worth a lot. I know some were made with bone handle. This more than likely isn't stag. This is really thin stag. But any help would be awesome on that. I'd appreciate it. But it's probably 9 inches overall with a 4.5 inch blade. So it's very sharp. And yeah, I just cut my mattress. Oh well, fuck my mattress. So, yeah, like I said, any help. If anybody knows anything on it, that'd be awesome. It makes a surprisingly good flipper, but the center pin here is more triangular. So sometimes when you go to put it down, handle catches. That makes it difficult sometimes, but all in all, it makes a pretty decent, flipper. So it's pretty decently weighted. So I don't ever flip it because I don't want to break it. So, but yeah, any help would be awesome. So thanks to anybody that's watching. So, alright, bye.